Keyword research is very important for an SEO project. It is the base of on page SEO. If your base is weak, then your building will fall very soon. The same thing applies in on page SEO regarding keyword research. Through proper, perfect, and authentic keyword research, you can not only increase your website's traffic, but you can also convert your visitors into your customers. Otherwise, Google will send or revert your traffic towards another website that uses user intent targeting keywords. Make your base strong. Give proper time to it. It could take hours to days, but don't worry, don't lose your heart. After your hard work, your results will be long lasting. So, let's see and learn how to do proper keyword research through different keyword research methods and tools. Here I collect and will revise all the keyword research methods and different tools for you. So, let's get into it. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. So, first we will do brainstorming of the keywords. Brainstorming means find or think keywords from your brain or mind. For example, my keyword is digital marketing course in Pakistan. Then what will ideas will come in my mind, like best digital marketing courses in Pakistan, advanced digital marketing courses in Pakistan, and up to date. Yes, up to date. And after that, free digital marketing courses in Pakistan is also very important. After that, I will go to Google and I enter my keyword and I am not moving my cursor at the end of the keyword. And you can see these are the black letter words are the keywords for me, which will show to me by Google itself. This is the first trick. After that, if I move my cursor or give some space or hit enter, you can see the keywords will change for me. I can also use keywords from here. And if I enter or write underscore between my seed keyword and give space before and after the underscore, you can see all the keywords between my seed keywords will expose to me by the search engine or Google. Now I will remove the space after and before the underscore, and you can see the keywords will change. These are the tricks to find keywords or LSI keywords or primary keywords for you. And now I will add a modified word like advanced, best, like this. Advanced modified words are very important to find keywords. Now I will enter my keyword and yes, like this. Now I will remove the modified word and enter my keyword, and I will go at the end of the SERP search engine result page, and here you will find the option of people also search for. There you can also find LSI primary keywords for you and different keywords because people are also searching by these keywords. I will also consider my competitors sites because I can see that my competitors are on higher ranking than me. Then I will also do keyword research on their keywords to to do my best in my keyword research. So I will find and select my keywords from here. And last but not least, I will also consider people also ask FAQ, frequently asked questions for me to do my keyword research. So these are the brainstorming process to do keyword research for you or for your client. After that, I will go on Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is Google's own tool for keyword research, and it is a free tool. Here you can find monthly searches, or you can say volume of the keyword, competition like low, medium and high, competition indexed value, and also 3 months and yearly base changes percentage. Then for the brainstormed keywords, as we can see that we can brainstorm keywords but can't make their volume, competition or keyword difficulty etc. just through brainstorming. For accurate results, we will and have to go to the paid tools like Ubersuggest, Semrush, Moz, Ahrefs, etc., which you like and find more accurate for you. You have to buy their paid version to do research for each keyword. There are complete tutorials of Google Keyword Planner and Semrush's free version on my channel. You can watch them from the playlist link in the description box below. So viewers, this is the process to do proper keyword research by using different methods and tools. I hope so my points were clear to you. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and share the video. Do subscribe to the channel so you will learn more. Thanks for watching viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.